Make na see this boy, you know the hear word. See the way they sweat. Person buy motor. See the way this small boy scatter person motor. Motor wey dem buy whenever they see the way scatter am. Huh? Who will come help you? Who will come help you now? Who you won't call? How you want to pay with people who will come help you? If they even do yaga inside the motor, say they sweat like a person. Eh? What did they try do? You want couple? You want do it by yourself? Oh, me not see. Oh, you want fix this thing? You know the Igbo now. What do you want to do? Okay, me with the watch now. You want fix am by himself? You don't tie this iron, no. Wait till they talk or continue. Why they complain? If you no fit do am, leave am. Yeah? If you no fit do am, leave am. Go call Igbo people, pay them money. Now you scatter am. Yeah? They nearly call police for this small boy. Yo. Now me just beg them, make them leave am. Make them leave am whether you fit couple am. See, you done the chop corn, no. Yeah? You say make you no die. You say you go chop. Don't add coconut to. Don't add coconut join the corn. They even laugh. Waiting they funny you for this kind of motorway scatter like this. I don't go back to work, oh yeah. Don't arrange the wire. Bloody boy sabi the work, oh. See the way they put all the whole wire for where you come out from. They nearly use police carry this small boy, you. The way take scatter the motor. Now me beg say if he do am. Oh yeah, now me with the watch. You don't tie that iron, socket all the whole wire, oh. Now dashboard up or dashboard now you won't put to. Jesus Christ of Nazareth, see this small boy, you don't put the dashboard. Eh? Jesus. So this thing where they won't use police arrest you, if you do am, I be they tell you say me go call you. Eh? No plan finish, no plan. Who wants that? One hand. Say they start one hand, oh. This small boy now Oyibo brain in carry you. No stress. No complaint, nothing. One hand. So you dey Nigeria here and you carry Oyibo brain. Say you don't finish am. Eh? Jesus Christ. This small boy they try you. I be think say no go fit couple this thing. Eh? Eweleke. He say don't finish. Yo. Say the work don't finish. Eh? You try, my brother. Say make them give up. He collect the camera. He won't video himself. Okay, no be himself. He won't show us. Eweleke. See as everywhere they need. Everything they intact. My brother, I try. So no, Igbo brain you carry. Thank you.